Hello viewers, welcome back to our channel Health and Beauty Secrets. Today in this video we will share some detox water recipes for weight loss. Number 1. Cucumber and grapefruit. Ingredients: half sliced grapefruit, half sliced cucumber. Grapefruits are detoxifying to the body, that makes this detox water more powerful. Drink this daily anytime. Number 2. Grapes, lemon, mint and strawberries. Ingredients: half grapes, half sliced lemon, 4 strawberries, 5 mint leaves. This is great drink because the fruits can almost always be found all year. Drink this detox water daily. Number 3. Lemons and cherries. Ingredients: 8 whole cherries cut into pieces, half sliced lemon. Drink this detox water daily. The cherries in drink makes it a good summer drink. Number 4. Mint, peaches and plums. Ingredients: 5 to 7 mint leaves, half sliced peach, half sliced plum. Plums and peaches are in season in the summertime and fall, so make sure to stock up on these ingredients during that time. This detox water daily. Number 5. Pomegranates and mint. Ingredients: 10 to mint leaves, half cup pomegranate seeds. The pomegranate seeds in this drink make it a powerful antioxidant detox water recipe. Make sure to stock up in the winter when they are in the season. Number 6. Oranges, lemons and limes. Ingredients: 1 lime slice, 2 orange slices, 2 lemon slices. This detox water is packed with citrus fruits and makes it high in vitamin C. This is a great drink for cold and flu season to keep your immune system healthy. Number 7. Blackberries and mint. Ingredients: 5 to 7 mint leaves, 6 to 7 blackberries. This detox water recipe is light and refreshing with the addition of the mint. Blackberries are in the season to give your water a boost in taste. Number 8. Raspberries and lemons. Ingredients: 8 raspberries, half sliced lemon. This is great and simple detox water to enjoy in the summer. Not only are raspberries in season, then it is also colored drink to serve at a family occasion. Number 9. Basil, lime and apples. Ingredients: 5 basil leaves, half lime slices, half sliced green apple. This powerful green detox water recipe gives you all kinds of nutrients. The fresh basil adds twist in flavor. You can also add half cucumber. Number 10. Oranges, plums and mint. Ingredients: 3 small plums, 3 mint leaves, half sliced orange. This is a great detox drink for the summer. It's also another highly colorful mix that is great for social parties and events. Number 11. Apples, grapes and cinnamon. Ingredients: half red grapes, 5 green grapes, half sliced green apple, half sliced red apple, 2 small pieces cinnamon. This is great go-to recipe because apples and grapes are available all year round. Number 12. Watermelon and mint. Ingredients: 10 to 12 mint leaves, 1.5 cup watermelon slices. When you are cutting up watermelon for the kids, make sure to save some for yourself for this tasty drink. Number 13. Kiwi, blackberries and apples. Ingredients: half sliced Fuji apple, 3 kiwi slices, 5 blackberries. This tropical drink is great for the summer when blackberries and kiwis are in the season. Number 14. Mint, strawberries and cucumbers. Ingredients: 4 to 5 mint leaves, 4 sliced strawberries, 5 slices of cucumber. Strawberries and cucumbers are usually lower in price than other berries, which makes this a great detox water recipe to fall back on a pinch. Number 15. Lemons, grapes and honeydew. Ingredients: 10 cubes of honeydew, 2 slices of lemon, 5 large grapes. Honeydew and grapes are often consumed in the morning, so drink first thing to get an extra boost of nutrients. Number 16. Oranges and blueberries. Ingredients: 15 blueberries, 1 whole orange, sliced. The combo of antioxidants and vitamin C make this a powerful drink in the winter time or anytime you are feeling the need for an immune boost. Number 17. Apples, lemons and carrots. Ingredients: 10 slices of carrots, half red apple sliced, half sliced lemon. This detox water recipe is packed with all kinds of nutrients, so make sure to eat the fruit and veggies when you are finished with the drink. If you like this video, like, share this video and also subscribe to our channel for more health and beauty videos. Let us know in the comments below on which topic you want to get information. Thank you.